Kayo there. Miss Egypt. Okay, quiet. Introduce yourself.
Yeah, with me. My name is Maria Porcello. I'm 17 years old and I'm representing Egypt.
Anong pagkakaiba mo sa ibang contestants dito sa Pilipinas? Meron ba bang distinction? Meron ba bang ano sa paniniwala?
Well, actually, my favorite with other contestants because I have self-confidence. And I do believe that if you have self-confidence and you know what you want, you will get it. And basically, my characteristic is that I am very strong and I know I can do it, although some of our contenders are already professionals in this, but I believe I can make it. Yes.
Siguro para tanong mo na lang sa mga dito nila. Sa tanong mo na lang, kailan mo nalaman na yung isang ganyan at paano mo sinabi sa at talagang
Well, bata pa lang ako, ganito talaga ako kasi never pa ako nag-crush na babae. Actually, guro lang ng lalaki. Yung simula nag-aisip ako na alam ko rin na siguro mga nag-aaral ko mga elementary times eh. Actually, hindi ko nakausap yung tatay ko. Yung tatay ko yung nakausap yung sa akin. Well, actually, puro kami lalaki and third. Tapos, well, my father just tell me na if I will become a man, she is the very most happy father in the world. But if I would be a gay, she will be happy for me. And I just replied to my father, be contented to be happy for life.
Okay.
paano mo tinatanggap yung mga diskriminasyon o sa mga salong na bakit paano mo tinatanggap?
Well, actually, then, ang tinatanggap ko po yung mga discrimination sa aking mga bakla because, well, as an educated person, well, iniisip ko na lang po na medyo kulang po sila sa pinag-aralan na parang hindi po tama yung pag-isip nila na, tsaka iniisip ko rin po na hindi po masama ang pagiging bakla. Ayun na lang po lagi kong iniisip sa akin, natanggap ako ng magulang ko, masaya ako, kung anong sabi ng ibang tao, wala po akong pakialam.
In your understanding, what is human being?
What is human being? Well, actually, human are the most, is the masterpiece of our Lord. Well, actually, human is the most important things in this world because human is the, they are the ones who is doing things so that our world will continuously around, like, in a cycle. And I think human being, being a human being, the human being system is really, really important for me because that complete the circulation of our environment.
Would you like to add more about it important?
Well, it's important because it completes the cycle of our environment. That's it.
Okay. Di ba siyempre yung tanong ko, paano sa sarili mo mabago yung pagtanaw, yung pagtingin ng karamihan?
Well, that's it. I will become a good example to everyone. Well, I will, as a gay, as you all know, being a homosexual, we are very talented person. And since we are homosexual, we are open-minded person. We can contribute a lot from our talents, from our minds, that will help our country to become successful. And I think I can also become a better leader of our society because as a homosexual, I do believe that I have conscience in my heart. And conscience is not a physical thing that you can pinpoint out. Rather, it's a moral sense that you can distinguish what is right from what is wrong. I think that's all.
Okay, time portion with CJ.